Hey, it's Frank from 4D Honeybee, and I'm checking my number 6 hive here. June 15th, we had no eggs. We do have a blue queen, so that's this year's queen. It was a one that we split. So she was born May 30th. It's June 28th. So she's been around about a month. We should start to see eggs here. June 15th, as you can see, we didn't see any eggs. So let's just have a look here. Hopefully it's a quick one. I don't have my smoker, so I hope these bees are nice to me. Just trying to see that there's a queen laying in here. She's marked blue. That earwig. Still has more or less the split population, which you'd expect at this point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frames worth of bees. Yeah, 5 decent frames worth of bees. So that's not terrible. Let's see if we can find signs that the queen is laying. Just drawing this frame out nicely. This one too. Looks like the most action we're seeing is right around here. Right around here. Again, just a perfectly drawn out frame waiting to be laid into, but no signs of that happening yet. Not putting much nectar in there either, so. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, some nice cat brood. It's good. So the queen is laying and they're capping it. Nice work. Brood, eggs, all the way out. Good work, queen. Yeah, look at that. That's pretty good. I think this next frame should even be better. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, there's the queen. That's what we got. Here she is. Oh, she's big and fat. Look at how nicely this frame is laid out, eh? Just wall to wall pretty much. She's doing a good job. Just watching this queen for a bit, and we always take a look at a frame like this that's solid and already capped with brood, and we think, oh, the queen won't be on this one because she's got nothing to do there, but there she is, right? And the few holes that don't have brood in them, I'm just gonna get awful close to the edge of that frame. Thank you, queen. The few cells that don't have eggs in them are backfilled with nectar, so she's not laying here at all. She has room to lay in this colony though, and this is a new queen, right? She's only a couple months old, so we can let her figure things out. She's doing fine. Okay, let's get this frame back in. We'll check a couple more frames just to see if she's laid, and we will protect this queen up against another frame. Just pollen and nectar on this one. Just nectar on this one. I don't think she's gonna have any more that are laid. So that's it. that's good enough. Again, this queen is young. She's just starting out, but she is laying. Her hive seems to be happy and healthy. So we'll let her do her thing for a while. And thanks for joining me at 40 honeybees.